can and could, in reported speech, mastering mixed modal verbs. Hello, English learners. Today, we'll be delving into the world of reported speech. Specifically, we're going to focus on mixed modal verbs, with a special emphasis on how to use can and could in reported speech for requests and offers. Grab a pen and paper, or just sit back and soak up the knowledge. Let's get started. In English, can and could are modal verbs. They are often used when we talk about ability, possibility, permission, and to make requests or offers. But how do we use them in reported speech? In direct speech, we often use can for requests or offers in the present or future, like, "Can you help me?" or "I can lend you the book." But when reporting these utterances, things change a little. Let's discover how in our next section. When we want to report someone's offer or request that used can, we typically change can to could. This shift reflects the move from direct to reported speech. For example, if John said, "I can help you tomorrow," we would report this as, "John said that he could help me the next day." And if Lucy said, "Can you pass me the salt?" we would report it as, "Lucy asked if I could pass her the salt." However, there are instances where we maintain can in reported speech. If the reported speech is about a general truth, a possibility, or ability that is still valid, we tend not to change can to could. For instance, if someone said, "Dogs can swim," we would report this as, "He said that dogs can swim." This is because it is a general truth that remains valid. Now it's your turn to practice. Try converting these direct speech examples into reported speech. 1. I can bring dessert to the party. 2. Can you close the window, please? And remember, practice makes perfect. And there you have it, English learners. That's how you use can and could in reported speech for requests and offers. Understanding and mastering these modal verbs in reported speech will greatly improve your English language skills. Keep practicing and don't forget, English is a journey, not a destination. We'll catch up in the next video where we'll explore more fascinating topics in English language learning. Until then, happy studying!